Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So we are about to do a real quick Family Dollar 5 off of 25. So I don't really feel like going big this week. We are going to go small and low out of pocket. We have spent a lot of money, I feel like, over the past couple weeks doing these big 20 off of 75. We need to bring it back in and get back to our regular couponing just a little bit. So I'm going to try to do a super low out of pocket deal today. So these deals are going to be super easy. All you have to do is download the same digital coupons that I'm going to be using on your Family Dollar app, enter in your phone number in at the register and check out. So easy, so simple. So I am going to start off by grabbing some Downy. So the Downy is not marked in my store, but it is actually on sale for $3.95 this week. You can grab the liquid or you can grab these beads up here. I'm going to get some of the beads because I have a lot of the liquid lately. So we're going to get one of these 5.7 ounce for $3.95. And we are going to use our $1.50 off one digital coupon. The next item we're going to grab is one of the Tide Pods. So these are $4.95 regular price, but we have a $2 off one digital coupon. And then we are also going to grab one of the Tide liquids. So these are $4.95 as well. I think the regular price is $5.50, but they are on sale this week. So $4.95, and then we are going to use our $2 off digital coupon. Next up, we're going to grab some Caress bar soap. So this is $2.75 regular price, and we have a $2 off 2 digital coupon. Word to the wise, if you can find the green Caress, that is supposed to be on an unmarked clearance for $1.40 for the 3-pack. So you can use that $2 off 2 digital and grab those for only 40 cents. Clearly someone has already cleared my store all out. Okay, so there are a couple items that I've added. One is a set of the fresh cut pine Febreze. So my store still has some of these, and these are actually on clearance for $1.50. So we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon that makes these absolutely free. So of course we're going to add these in today. I also picked up a couple glitch items because I want to see if those glitches are still working. No guarantees, but you know we got to try it. So the first glitch is the Swab Deodorant. So the $1 off one or the $2 off 2 digital coupon is working on the $1 Swab Deodorant. So you can grab 2 of these babies for $1 a piece, use that $2 off 2 digital coupon, and that is supposedly attaching, making those absolutely free. Same thing with the Dial soap. So this 2-count Dial soap is supposed to be free with the $1 off 1 digital coupon. It is not attaching on the app for me, so I hope it attaches at the register. We shall see. But with glitches, you never know. The Swab Deodorant is attaching just fine on the app, so I'm feeling pretty confident about that one. So this is everything that I have. This is all 10 items that we are going to pick up today. Our subtotal for all of these items before any digital coupons are applied should be $25.35. So that is also enough for us to qualify to use our 5 off of 25 store digital coupon. So we're going to load that plus all of these other digital coupons. Let's go to the register and check out and see what our final price to pay is. All right, you guys, that was another beautiful 5 off of 25 transaction. So those glitches both are still a go. So the Tide Pod $4.95 $2 digital coupon, or Tide Liquid $4.95 $2 digital coupon. There's our first glitch with the Swab Deodorant. Those were $1 each. You can see those came off absolutely free after that $2 in digital coupons. So with the coupons that are like 2 off of 2 or 3 off of 3, they often split an amount and will apply to each product. So that's why you see $1 off of each. And then the Downy was $3.95. We had our $1.50 off digital coupon. And then our Febreze was absolutely free as well. It was $1.50. We had the $1.50 off digital coupon, and that's at 3 off of 2. And then there is our other glitch on the Dial soap. So that was the 2-pack bar soap for $1. That $1 off digital coupon did apply, making that absolutely free. And then there is our Caress, and those $2 came off. And then our final coupon is our 5 off of 25. That brought our subtotal down to $6.85 for 10 items, y'all. $6.85 for 10 items. That's like 68 cents per item. And when you're looking at the items that we got, Tide, Downy, Caress, to pay 68 cents per item, I think that was a beautiful deal. And if your store does not have the clearance for Breeze, no worries. I will have an alternate scenario for you down in the description box so that you can still get a low out of pocket. Just check my Google document. Now, without further ado, let's go into our giveaway winner. I want to give a special thanks to everyone who took time to enter my Cash App giveaway. So I'll let you guys know on last week's Family Dollar video where we did our 20 off of 75 that this week I wanted to sponsor someone's 20 off of 75 shopping trip. And those trips usually come out to around $35 if all works well. And I know that all will work well. So I want to give somebody $35 in cash. So the winner of that giveaway is D. Strozier. Thank you so much, D. Strozier, for entering, and congratulations on your win. Their comment says, "Thanks again. You really are my favorite to watch. I really need to work on saying no to some deals. I have so much random stuff that I have to take some to work and put it in the free basket." Well, guess what? You're about to get some more stuff because I am gifting you $35. So let me know down below in the comments what your Cash App is. When I see it, I will click you your $35. Thank you once again to everyone who entered. I appreciate you guys so much. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.